What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Daisy, aka the Brandfluencer, and today I have something very exciting. I'll be teaching you how to make your dream life trailer. So the topic of this video is around vision boards, which is a big trend nowadays to create. So if you don't already know what vision boards are, they are a visual representation of your future goals and aspirations. It's a vision of the future you aspire to have, and they are important in ensuring you stay motivated in achieving these goals. So a vision board is all good, but boy, have I found something better. And I like to call this a vision trailer. Now, in general, any digital form of a vision board is better than the physical version, just because you can have it at any time, any place. But what's different about this vision trailer is that it consists of videos instead of a collage of images. Now, I feel like videos are a bit more motivating because you can truly manifest and truly envision yourself within those videos. It's a bit more of a realistic representation of the dream life you aspire to have. Now, I'm not saying don't create a physical vision board, as it's actually better to do every single version of a vision board you can, so you can ensure that you're always reflecting upon it no matter where you are, and you have more constant reminders in order to keep you on track. So first, make sure you please like and subscribe, and we can now get started. Now, these first couple steps can be used for a vision board, a digital vision board, or the vision trailer. The concept's the same, but in general, we're gonna focus on our vision trailer. So first, what we're gonna do is search for content, and I'm gonna use my phone, which I'm gonna include here so you guys can see what I'm doing. So in order to find this content, we're gonna visit a platform that is most likely to have the most videos, which is going to represent our goals. Now, in terms of the trailer, the best platform is actually TikTok, because it's purely video content. So what you want to do is go on TikTok, and we're gonna go to discover. And the main principle in all this, no matter what platform you use, you just searched a hashtag which represents the goal you're trying to search for. For example, I'm gonna search luxury homes, and as we can see, there are loads of videos of different houses which we can use. So just choose the one you like, which really makes you want to get up and start working. So all you do is click this little arrow if you don't already know, and click save video. What you want to do is section off all this content you're going to use in your video trailer into its own separate album. And as you can see here, I have one called vision board. So what you want is a full folder of different things that represent your dream life. As you can see here, I've got different holiday destinations, I have little snippets of workout videos, and I have quite a few car videos because I do love a nice car. You can also use YouTube and search through vloggers that you really enjoy or live a life that you aspire to have. That will make it a bit easier in terms of searching for content. Now, to make it a bit easier for you to search for content, a great idea would be to write down your goals in different subcategories. This can consist of your wealth, health, career, experiences, and anything else you want to include. Now, once you have a folder of all the content you want to include in your trailer, what we're going to do is import it into an app called InShot. And this is what it looks like. So we're going to click video, and we're going to click new. And what you want to do is, you can see your whole camera roll opens up. And this is where having the folder comes in handy, because all we're going to do is click on albums and click our vision board album. And this is all the content we want to include in our video, right? So we just select it all. So as you can see, we have all the videos imported. And now what we want to do is trim and cut accordingly. We don't want the video being too long, because it's just supposed to be a trailer style video. So you can crop the beginnings, crop the ends, or crop any bits out which doesn't really look attractive to you. So as you can see with this one, as I aspire to travel first class at least once in my life, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to drag it, and as you can see, there's this dude's feet in there, which is not attractive at all. So what I'm going to do is, we're going to click on the video and we're going to adjust the cursor where we want it to go. So I'm going to put it right at the beginning of where we can see his feet. We're going to click split, and this will just split in between where the line was placed. Now what I'm going to do is, I don't want any of his feet in, so instead of me dragging this box across to crop it, I find it a lot easier to just drag the video across and then split the clip again. So here I'm going to split it, and now we have this little snippet of just his feet, and we can just delete. But you want to do this for each video. So I actually had one already made, which I'm going to use now, but I'm just going to quickly play it a bit. Now you can't hear the music I've attached to this just because of copyright, but I'm telling you, this makes me want to get out of bed and start working. And that's what we're going to do. Next step is to add a song to our video. You want to make sure it's a song that motivates you, because the whole point of this trailer is to motivate us to work towards achieving this dream life and our goals. My little trick with InShot is, what you want to do is literally go on YouTube or go on Spotify, whatever you like. We're just going to search any song. So the song I attached was Diva by Beyonce. I'm not going to play it. So what you're going to do is start a screen recording. And once I see the little red dot, we can start playing the song. Now you want to make sure your phone is on maximum volume, and it's just going to screen record the song playing, and you're going to understand why in a second. When the song's ended, or if you don't want the full song recorded, you can just record about 2 minutes. You just need enough music to cover the trailer. You're going to end the screen recording, and we're going to go back to InShot. And this is where the trick comes in. So instead of you having to pay for a song on iTunes or anything, we can import that screen recording. So what we're going to do is click Music in the toolbar, and we're going to press Add Tracks. What you're going to do is press Extract Audio from Video, as you can see. And then we're just going to click the screen recording we had of the Spotify or YouTube page. So what this does is extract the music from that video and imports purely just the audio. And that's exactly what we want. Then you can see the little purple toolbar, and that's where your song is. And if you want to edit, or if you want a particular part of the song to start in a certain place, you just drag it, manipulate it, do what you want. If you double tap on this purple toolbar, what comes up is the whole song. So you can crop accordingly, and you can also set the features of fading in and fading out. Now once we've had that audio imported, you can probably still hear audio from the videos themselves. And what we're going to do, we're going to click on our video toolbar, and then we can see this pop up where it shows us each individual video. Now mine are already all muted. What you want to do is click on each individual video and just drag the volume bar to 0. Alright, so now we're going to play it and see if we're happy with it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how, rewind.
Alright, you get the concept. I'm not going to play the whole video just because this YouTube video will be so long. But you get the concept and you get the idea. Once your video is complete, we're just going to save it to our camera roll by clicking here in this little arrow box and clicking save. And that's pretty much it, guys. I highly recommend you give this a try. It doesn't take long at all. As you saw, the most time consuming bit is finding videos you want to include. What I suggest is, if you're ever scrolling through Instagram or TikTok and you see a video in particular that really stands out to you, that really makes you think, I want that, save it immediately. Save as much content as you can on a daily basis, and then it will take you 5 minutes to just make the video. Now, if you have a go at making this vision trailer, which I highly recommend, please make sure to tag me on Instagram at DaisyBarbuda so I can have a look and see what you guys have created. Just make sure that you reflect upon this video and any vision boards you have every morning and every evening, just so you can remind yourself of why you're doing what you're doing and how badly you want to achieve these goals. I hope this video was beneficial, and if you have any other questions, please obviously make sure you comment them down below. Otherwise, please make sure you like and subscribe, because we want this video to help as many people as possible, and it just helps with the YouTube algorithm. It takes a moment of your time. Please like and subscribe, and that's it from me, guys. So peace out.